Back at it once again, hitting 3 pawn shops in Columbus, Georgia. We're gonna see if they got any knives in here. Hey, how y'all doing?
Wasn't her.
Hey, can I see these?
Change colors and
These knives. I just want to see if y'all got anything.
You ever seen a dog on a showcase before?
It comes on the left. Or whatever.
Fall off with
We can pay either. I'll probably have to go get some cash.
Well, there's a $5 bin and a $10 bin. I wasn't actually looking.
Is there supposed to be a sticker on it?
It's right there. So, that's the $5 bin that he's.
no, you got a miniature.
What about that skinny one way back there? See right there, right under your hand, right there. See that one?
Anybody that owns a golden sword.
Cricket.
This one's not marked and this one's not.
Okay, bye. What about the other black one back there? No, one right there. Let me see that one. Oh, that comes.
I'm sorry, baby.
Oh, Swiss Tech. I know about Swiss Tech. Okay, bye. What's that one? What do they want for it? $89? Yeah, it's a throwing knife. Yeah. Let me see the one that's got like the stag back there. It's kind of white. See it right there? It's right by his other one. Yeah. Try maybe. Nice. Yeah, I'll pass on now.
Yes, sir.
All right, buddy. Well, thank you, man. Second, number 2 pawn shop, Columbus, Georgia. Oh, that case right there, $250. Ain't that cool?
What y'all looking for today?
I'm looking for some knives, some pocket knives.
Oh my God,
I seen that case down there. I'm looking for, if y'all got any knives or broken tips or anything y'all want to get rid of.
like that one, and a few little cheap pocket knives.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Yes, ma'am. You ain't got no old timers or USA made ones. I saw that case one over here. That's pretty. Can I see that one? That one in this wooden case right here. I got some bayonets down there too, huh? Yeah, that's beautiful right here now. Beautiful. Alabama State Trooper. So 2016, I think.
Celebration is here. January 2nd.
Y'all have a great day, man. You too. Thank you. Simplified, double dog.
All right, pairs out.
Yes, sir.
Just I could not speak being or
Victoria Knox, $12.99. That's a good price. That's a Kershaw Blur. Looks like. Oh, and bucket of knives right there. Man. Yep. I think I hit him at the right time, y'all. Oh my God, look at that, y'all. Oh my God. Victoria Knox, I know it's coming home with me. That $12.99 right there. They got some good prices on knives. They got some old ones down there too. They got some old ones in there. I'm gonna go through. You see them?
I'm gonna look through some of them while you do it.
Yeah.
And those are fluid steel.
Look at them, bro. Are y'all firm on prices?
Never.
I like that. I do want to see that red one first, but I want to see the bucket of knives.
The bucket? Sure.
Yes, sir. Oh, yeah, that's a winger right there. What's best y'all can do on this one?
Let's see. Let me look at it.
That's something.
Can you get these other 2 boxes out as well?
Yeah.
Made in USA.
This one guy brings all these in.
Really?
One guy. Oh, I'm coming down.
Wow.
You don't.
I love that little sheath right there. Ain't that cool? This is a Zippo sheath for a case, for a Zippo knife. Awesome.
That's awesome.
Awesome.
We don't have any place to do it.
Look at that. Right there. Yes, sir.
About $11.99 on them, but if you get you a few, I'll let you have them for like $7.99.
Okay, bud. All right.
I'll make you a deal of a deal of a deal.
That sounds good, man. I like deals. King cutter, bone handle. That's a parts knife. Check this one out. Queen Barlow. Never seen one before. Never seen a Queen Barlow before. Look at that.
Oh my God.
That's cool too. Check that one out. Sheffield England. Ain't that cool? China maybe.
You have to look it up.
Winger. Another winger. With a serrated blade. Very cool. Whoa. Check that little beauty out. Broke tip. That's fine. That's an old one right there. Nice electrician's knife. And it is a cutmaster. It's well made. Handles are wood. It's an old knife right here. Look at there. I was on the bottom right there. SD Classic. Blade looks good. Scissor looks good. That's a nice one. That's Camillus. Son just fished this one out. It's an old Imperial.
They want to know the city and state we're born in. For example,
Blade's black, meaning it's been given a vinegar bath at one
born in
time.
the county, what was the closest city where you were?
No, on these right here, you'll probably get $7.99 each,
Okay.
and then $9.99 on that one. She said. So
Okay. We do $7.99 on that one too.
Sure.
Okay.
Yeah, just put it with you.
All right.
I was thinking you had bought a gun from us before.
Bros,
Yeah,
that blade's been broke though. Right here.
Said you were with you.
Put that one back.
Didn't delay you last time on your background check, remember?
That's true. I guess technically they with
Damn.
Shoot, we have people in here all the time got TSSCIs getting laid. No, I'm coming back on.
Move them over here. I'm gonna look at some these right here. So all these are case knives off? Yeah. They need some work.
I don't really have any heavy barrel day on it right now, to be honest with you.
1940 to 1964.
Pretty much the same.
Bone handle. Main blade's good. It's rusty.
It's about the same thing. It might
They're wanting way too much for it. I'll see what they want for that one.
it's high.
Like an 89.
Yes, it's about the same. About the same price, about the same way. About 16.
Nice little knife. Way too high on these things.
Yes, sir.
Sunfish, just fished this one out. It's German. Wood handle. Look at that. That is a beautiful knife. Old knife.
I brought it from Africa, the slave trade back in the day.
It was on here.
This ain't snap.
Somebody the other day, they was
Got
talking
a
about
corkscrew on the back.
Yeah.
my parents were both born in Rutland County, but they had you beat by quite a bit.
Look like it's got a broke spring, but I swear the snap on that little blade is good.
Somebody shouldn't have it.
See that? It might be a separate, just a separate spring for that corkscrew right there. This one's snap right here. That is an excellent knife.
That ain't gonna work. Hold on.
Check this one out. It's a fillet knife, folding fillet knife made in Japan. Hey. Wood handles look really good. Lock blade too. Ain't that cool? Okay guys, the pawn shop did not disappoint. I'll go over all the knives with you in another video. Again, it'd just be way too long. I just want to say God bless y'all. Thank y'all for tuning in today. And until we meet again, y'all be like a good night. Stay sharp.